Hello Year 3, so this is a video to show you how to use your 100 squares to do some addition. We're only focusing on addition today. What I want you to do is to have a 100 square in front of you now. You might have one printed out already. If not, maybe ask Mummy or Daddy to print you one out so that you can use it for all of the tasks. But on the Google form that you're going to do in a second, the 100 square is already on it. So we're going to start by looking at some questions like, for example, something like 27 add 10. So the way to do this is onto your 100 square, you find the number 27, and here it is 27, two tens and 7 units. Now to add 10, nice and easy, all you're going to do when you add 10 is you just move down on the 100 square. So 27 add 10, we're going to move one jump down. That will give us 37. The units don't change, the units stay the same, but the tens will change. They go up by 1. Okay, let's do another example. Let's do something like, let's do 38 add 10. So pause the video, have a go at 38 add 10. Okay, so hopefully when you were doing this, you pointed to 38, that's here, and you then added 10 by going down on the 100 square, one jump, and you got to 48. Okay, let's do another one. You're going to pause the video and have a go at this next question. I want you to do 68 add 10. Find it on the 100 square, move down one, and find out the answer. Pause the video, off you go. Okay, so hopefully you found 68 here, you went down one jump and you did 68, add 10 makes 78. Just remind you, the units are not changing when we're adding 10, and that's because there are no units to add here. We're only adding to the tens. Okay. Now, what we can also do is we can add more than just a 10. So for example, if I have to do 17, let's do add 12. Now what I need to do is I need to think about my 12. I need to think of it as a 10 and a 2. So what I do is I find 17 on the 100 square. And then I add my 10 first. I've got to 27. And then once I've got to 27, I'm going to add 2. Now when we add 2s, not 10s or 1s, we are going to go across. So we're going to go 27, 28, 29. We've added 2 jumps there. And so 17 add 12 will give us 29. Okay, let's do another example, and then you're going to pause the video and have a go yourself. Let's do 23 add 14. So we're going to take our 14, we're going to split it into tens and units, tens and units. First thing we're going to do, find 23, add the 10 first, and then we've got to add 4 units, 1, 2, 3, and here we go, we're here. It's 37, so 23 add 14 is 37. Right, let's have a go. Now it's your turn. I'm going to draw all the blank bits and you're going to finish it off. Let's do 15 add 12. Okay, 15 add 12. Remember, you're going to split it like that. Before you do your jump, you're going to find it on the 100 square. So let's put that there. Right, you do all the rest of the work. Pause the video and find 15 add 12. Okay, so hopefully you knew that 12 was a 10 and 2 units. You went down by the 10, and then you went across 2 units, and you got to 27. Let's do another example. This time you're going to do this one without any of my writing down except for the calculation that you've got to do. Let's do 16 add 11. 16 add 11. Off you go. Pause the video. Okay, so hopefully you knew that 11 was 110 and 1 unit. You found 16 here. You went down 10, and then you went across 1, and you got to 27. You can do this with your finger as well. My circles are just so you can see what I'm doing, but you could just use your finger. Let's do a few more examples. You're going to have a go at these by reading what I write, pausing the video, and having a go. But don't pause it just yet. Let's write down some examples. So do 17 add 12. We're going to do 42 add 13. And we're going to do 33 add 14. Okay. So pause the video and have a go by using your finger on the 100 square. Can you do 17 add 12, 42 add 13, and 33 add 14? Pause the video, have a go. Okay, so let's change color so it's nice and clear. We've got our 12. 12 is a 10 and a 2. So we're going to go to 17. That's our first number. We have 1 10, so we're going to go down by 10. Then we're going to go across by 2. 1, 2, and we get to here. So the answer here is 29. Now let's do the next one. Let's go from this color. 13 is a 10 and 3 units. We go to 42. We're going to go down 10. Then we're going to go across 3. 1, 2, 3, and we get to this number here. So 42 add 13 is 55. And our last question. Let's go for a lovely, interesting color. 33 add 14. Well, 14 is a 10 and 4 units. We find 33. We go down 10. Then we're going to go across 4 units. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We get to here. We get to 47, and that is the answer to 33 add 14. Okay. Now we're going to do one more example, and this time, after this, you're going to get on to the task. So have a go. Let's do a nice new color. Let's go for this one. We're going to do something big, something scary. We're going to do 54 add 15. 54 add 15. Pause the video and do it all by yourself. Off you go. Okay, so hopefully on 15, you knew there was a 10 and there were 5 units. You found 54 on the grid. You went down by a 10. And now you know you've got to go across 5 units. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. And we end up here. And so the answer to 54 add 15 is 69. Okay, there are 5 questions for you to get on with. Go and have a go. Good luck.